Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you're having an absolutely fantastic day because we have the newest FIOBOC clothing haul in front of us now. Now, I also have a couple pairs of their pants. I'm actually wearing their jeans right now. We're going to get to in just a second. This is absolutely fantastically filling and great quality clothing. Now, before we do get into the video, if after the video you want to purchase this clothing, top link in the description box below of this video will be the direct link and my coupon code for 20% off. FIOBOC is hooking you guys up with 20% off your order. Apply my discount code at checkout for 20% off. All the information, top link in the description box below. Let's go ahead and get straight on into the video. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, as we get straight on into the video, this number one is their zip up hoodie, which is absolutely fantastic. This is their black color in the zip up athletic hoodie. This is also a shirt, a crew neck slim fit as well, short sleeve. But this thing is really nice for pickleball. You have some zippered pockets right here. I've already tested it with my cell phone. You got plenty of room in there. And you also have some little slip pockets right on here on the inside next to your pockets where you can have cash or even some gel packs if you are jogging with this, etc. I am 5'9", 5'8", 150 pounds soaking wet, and the mediums in all their shirts, hoodies, etc. fit me absolutely beautiful. As you can see here, I'm going to lower the camera for their jeans, but absolutely fantastic as well. Again, this does have a hoodie as well. It is zip up, and you have some reflective things or just some cool little feature design right here. And then the back of it, as we can see right there, this is perfect for pickleball, mountain biking on a chillier evening or morning, walking at the gym if you're a little chilly. You guys get the idea. Again, a slim fit. It fits beautifully. I have an athletic build, and this fits me and tapers in just beautifully. I really love the fit and fill of their blend as well. The bamboo fibers are a huge thumbs up in my book. My bed sheets on my bed are bamboo fiber. Love them. You slip into bed, you're like, woo, this is nice. All right, let's get some shirts on. All right, this is their Tuscany color in the crew neck. Again, this is a medium athletic build. Once again, 5'8", 5'9", 150 pounds. Sitting beautifully right below my belt buckle right here, my belt. It is a beautiful filling shirt, but also look at how it just tapers around my muscles. So again, it's dripping just beautifully. Slim fit down, just hugging your chest. I mean, take a look at that. That's looking really, really beautiful. And the Tuscany color, I dig it, man. I'm digging that color. Let me see if I can get a little bit better light on that. Again, you can check out what the actual professional models look like on their website, but that's looking absolutely fantastic. That again is the slim fit crew neck, and they also just dropped some really sweet new colors for this year in 2024. So check out their website, top link in the description box below. Okay, this is the crew neck black size medium. Once again, right here, same exact shirt, just in the black color. And I have a very kind of a lightish skin tone to it, so hopefully I'm giving you guys some good options with your build, your sizing, etc. for ordering. This fits absolutely fantastic. Loving it. While we're on the subject, let's go ahead and talk about their jeans here. Now, their jeans are very nice as well. Hopefully the light of the camera is doing that justice. They're a little bit, it depends if the light is hitting them in a different color, but they're just your typical kind of a darker wash denim. Now, something to keep in mind is the first time I tried these on, they fit great, they feel great, but the denim is going to be a little bit thinner than what you might be used to with Levi's, etc. Once you put them on, you'll understand they're not a very super thick denim, but for springtime, summertime, fall, they're absolutely fantastic. Not to mention they are stretch. I literally can squat in these. I could exercise in these. I think I have at my gym actually before. I could play pickleball in these. You are going to be doing some squats again with the stretchy material to these. It's a great pair of jeans. They fit my backside really nicely, so I don't look like I have a complete flat backside. They're a slim fit going down to my Adidas shoes, as you can see here. Let's give you a straight on look right here. And again, my waist is, I'm about a 30 waist. And I think these are the 30 size, and they fit absolutely great. Put a belt on there. And again, these fit absolutely fantastic. I'm going to show you one more pair of pants here, so make sure you watch the whole video. Okay, this is the khaki color. And the fit, fill, everything is the same. Nothing has changed except for the colors. This again is the khaki color, looking great on my skin tone and looks great with the blue jeans as well. That's a big thumbs up. Again, crew neck, slim fit khaki. You're like, Chris, I'm not really a crew neck kind of guy. Well, if you like the V-neck, again, not super V, but just underneath the line right there, that actually looks great. If you like V-necks, this might be an option for you as well. Same material, same fit, same drop down. All it is, it just has a V-neck. Again, this is a slim fit as well, looking absolutely fantastic. Okay, this is the V-neck silver gray, as we can see here. So blending in just beautifully, the light coming in, showing you the different color of the silver gray V-neck. I'm trying to get that light on the shirt there, but looking great in the V-neck. It's very subtle as well. It's a clean looking V-neck. I like it, and that feels great. And this is the carbon color. So this is going to be a little bit more darker than the gray here, as you can see the two different tones to it. So again, this is the carbon V-neck, same style, same length, same drip, same comfortability like I keep mentioning, and looks absolutely fantastic. Carbon, just a little bit darker once again. And quick correction, my jeans are actually 31 in the dark blue. I could probably rock a 30, but because they're stretchy, there's enough room right there. I do fluctuate in weight. I'm a little bit thinner right now than I'd like to be. I want to gain about 5 more pounds of muscle. So that's going to be nice because I'm going to keep my waist slim, but trying to improve about 5 pounds of muscle or so. But anyway, that is 31 dark blue wash. And then these are their expandable waistband, which is very subtle. Let me get a close-up shot of this. Hopefully the camera can pick that up. If there's a little bit of elastic from about where my finger is here to here, which gives you a little bit more expandable room. Let me lighten up the shot a little bit so you guys can see. Now, these run slightly larger than the jeans, so do be careful with your sizing. These are size 31. I should have gone a little bit smaller, but a belt latches them on just nicely, and they're a little bit more than the jeans, a little bit more straight fit, and then they kind of taper off towards the bottom, but not as slim fit as the jeans in my personal opinion. So do be careful with your sizing. Again, these are the expandable waistband pant. They're actually really nice, super deep pockets to these. Very nice and comfortable material. You do have back pockets as well with the jeans. I just didn't show you that on the jeans. And then what's cool about these is you have this pocket on the side with a zipper, and I have an expandable phone or foldable phone, but let's see if a regular like iPhone could probably fit in there. Yep, that definitely could. Your big phones, slip in there, zip that back up, or your wallet, whatever you want, and now that's sitting right here on the side of my leg. Or of course, put it in your pocket, and again, those are super deep pockets. My phone is literally sitting right here from my pocket. I mean, look at how, that's the end of my hand right there. So super deep pockets. These are great for golf as well. And these are their Ace joggers right here in the blue color. These feel absolutely amazing. I used these after skiing this year, sat in front of the fire, had some dinner after a day of skiing. These are great. Also, I just used these the last couple nights working out. They also have just got in some new joggers that I'm going to try to get my hands on for a full review. They look great. They're already on the website available. And then lastly, these right here are their Chillux stretch pants. This also has a little bit of stretch to the band right here. I wore these golfing in Moab, Utah this year. They fit great. They look great. That is in their gray color, but size down with these as well, just like these pants here. They run a little bit bigger than their jeans, so you might want to size down. If I could order them again, I would size down in these and also size down in these. The jeans fit perfect. Well, guys, thank you so much again for watching the video. Well, again, if you want to get 20% off whatever you order on their website, top link in the description box below. The coupon code will also be there. Apply that coupon code at checkout where it says apply discount code, and that will give you 20% off of your order. But just like all my videos, please don't go into debt for anything I do make videos about, but if you do have the cash and the clothing does intrigue you, please go ahead and purchase on the way. If you wouldn't mind hitting that thumbs up button on the way out, helps the channel. Also subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, as well as DIY home renovation projects, tech reviews, unboxings, and more. Grab your discount, top link in the description box below the video. My name is Chris. I'll see you on the next video. Take care for now. Bye-bye.